IKEA TOMAT, affordable and easy to use spray bottle. IKEA has many good and unique products that can help you actively every day. One of them is the IKEA Tomat. It sounds like the name of cooking ingredients, but that's not the only part that makes it unique. The feature and design also make it worth a try, although we find that there are some flaws in it. Overall, it's a good spray bottle product. Let's take a look at many aspects that make this product your main option for a spray bottle. The design. From the first time we saw it, we already fell for its design. The sleek and elegant design makes it perfect for any house. Moreover, if you have a minimalist style interior design style, IKEA Tomat is a perfect spray bottle you can use. It is also available in many different colors you can choose from. Basically, the appearance aspect is not disappointing. This is one small, beautiful spray bottle. The design also makes it easy to carry and use. It is perfect to fit in your hand, especially the head and handle part. You can easily push the handle to make the water spray. And when you need to refill the water, just turn the head part and you can remove it. Fill it with water, close the head, and you can use it. It's simple and easy. The features. If we have to mention the most interesting feature, there is one that we like. It's the adjustable jet spray part. This feature allows you to adjust how you want to spray using IKEA Tomat. By turning this part, you can change the spraying mode from hard mode to soft spray. The hard mode is useful if you want to spray the place that is located pretty far from where you stay. You can use this mode. The soft spray mode is perfect for you who want to spray your plant and cover the wider area. With this mode, you don't need to worry about damaging your plant's leaves. Unfortunately, the volume of water you can spray using this spray bottle is too little. It's a little bit disappointing. However, by looking at the size, 350 milliliters, this is normal. It's perfect for spraying the plant you use as your interior decoration. If you plan to get a spray bottle for spraying your garden, this spray bottle isn't the best choice. IKEA Tomat is made of 39% recycled PE plastic, a good choice if you want to save the environment. However, the spray head and pump are made of PP plastic. This material is very durable and lightweight, which makes this spray bottle last longer. Conclusion: IKEA Tomat is a good spray bottle product. The design and feature give it more value than an ordinary spray bottle. Although it has small flaws, which is the amount of the sprayed water, it's worth the price, which is only 99 cents. So if you can get it, if you want a spray bottle with cheaper price and useful feature,